In the world of cinematography and video production, color grading is an important process that helps create attractive and engaging visuals. In this video, I'll give an example of a simple basic color grading, even just using an app, so you can apply it to improve the quality of your content. Let's get started. First, open the Kinemaster application. Then create a new project. For the video example, I will include a natural atmosphere. First, I will take advantage of the automatic features in this application. Click the layer. Then scroll down and select the filter menu. After that, select the low saturation effect, then select number 2. In the next stage, select the adjustments menu. At this stage, I will set it manually, and I will only choose 3 settings. Basically, color grading is how we adjust the colors in the video so that it looks stunning and aesthetic. So use your senses and feelings. The next stage, lower the contrast at -20. And lastly, lower the highlight on level 20 as well. I chose to only adjust the 3 settings because this is an important aspect of basic color grading. And finally, add music and text to make it perfect. And here are the results. With a deep understanding of cinematic aesthetics and the right color grading techniques, you can create stunning and immersive visuals in your film and video productions. Keep experimenting, learning, and honing your skills in cinematic color grading. Enjoy creating great work.